This is not a postcard version of Krakow. This is the city as it really is, away from the main tourist spots. In this video, we walk through parts of Krakow, where everyday life happens. Markets, streets, small local shops, and places people pass through without stopping for photos. This walk is for those who want to see what Krakow looks like beyond the famous landmarks. If you are planning a visit, or simply want a real look at the city, stay with us. This market area is part of everyday life in Krakow, with small stalls offering handmade items and local products. It's a place locals pass through daily. This market area is part of everyday life in Krakow, with small stalls offering handmade items and local products. It's a place locals pass through daily. This market area is part of everyday life in Krakow, with small stalls offering handmade items and local products. It's a place locals pass through daily. If you didn't know this place existed, you would walk straight past it. From the outside, it looks like just another passage. But once you step inside, the atmosphere changes completely. People don't come here by accident. They come in, slow down, and stay longer than planned. It's not famous. It's not on every tourist list. Yet it's always full of people. That's what makes places like this interesting. Not what they are, but why people choose them. Along this wall, history is not locked behind museum doors. It lives in the open, right where everyday life continues. These panels tell stories from Krakow's Jewish past. Real people, real faces, real lives that once filled these streets. What makes this place powerful is not only what is written here, but where it stands. Cafes, conversations, footsteps, and beside them, memories that refuse to disappear. People don't stop here because it is an attraction. They stop because something catches their eye. A photograph, a sentence, a moment that pulls them out of the present. This is how Krakow remembers. Not by separating the past from the present, but by letting them exist together in the same space. This area of Krakow has always been shaped by movement. People, goods, and daily life have passed through here for generations. That is why it feels busy even today, with traffic, tourists, and locals all sharing the same space. Long before this became a place people simply walked through, it was connected to parts of the city where Jewish communities lived, worked, and traded. The streets around here were not designed as landmarks, but as practical routes linking different neighborhoods. Over time, the city changed, borders shifted, and daily life moved on. What remained was the function of this place: to connect, to move, to carry people forward. That is why this area still feels active, even if most visitors don't stop to think about why. It's not a square you come to admire. It's a part of the city you experience while moving through it. And sometimes, those are the places that tell the most about how a city really works. Public transport here is not just practical. It's a natural part of everyday life, used by both locals and visitors as they move through the city. As we continue, Wawel slowly comes into view. Rising above Krakow, its presence is impossible to ignore. Wawel is not just a landmark, it is a powerful symbol of Polish history, culture, and identity. This video focuses on the atmosphere and movement through Krakow. But Wawel deserves far more attention than a passing moment. That's why we have a separate video dedicated entirely to exploring Wawel Castle and its surroundings. If you'd like to discover even more parts of Krakow, be sure to check out our other videos. If you enjoyed this walk through Krakow, click like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share the video. Thanks for watching.